A bird came down the walk. He did not know I saw. He bit an angleworm in half, and ate the fellow raw. And then he drank a dew from a convenient grass, and then hopped sidewise to the wall to let a beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. They looked like frightened bees, I thought. He stirred his velvet head like one in danger. Caution, I offered him a prod. And then he unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home than oars divide the ocean, too silver for a sea, or butterflies off the banks of noon leap, clashless as they float.